So why are so many American people poor? Hello everybody, my name is Sanadu. Welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. As you guys know, I migrated to the United States in the early 2000s. And since then, I have observed a lot of things when it comes to building wealth in this country. So I will be sharing 5 different observations that I believe have a huge effect on American people when it comes to building wealth in this country. Observation number 1, there's no family culture. There's no togetherness. There's no working as a team to achieve anything. Everyone is trying to achieve their goals alone without any help whatsoever from family and friends. On the other hand, a lot of immigrants that migrate to this country and see the potential that it has, they work together as a team. You will see a lot of immigrant families working together as one in order to achieve the American dream. On the other hand, American families are not united whatsoever. They do not share goals. They do not share business ideas. They do not work together at all. For example, a lot of my American friends, the only time they see their family, the only time they get together is on holidays or special occasions. They rarely eat together. And families that do not eat together, they do not grow together. On the other hand, immigrant families have at least one meal together every single day. And during that meal, they talk about businesses, they talk about new ideas, they talk about making even more money, working together, working out their problems. This gives the immigrant family an advantage. 3 people, 5 people, 6 people working together as one towards one goal will definitely outperform the person that is working by themselves with no help. Observation number 2 is prolonged adolescence. In America, the system is designed to keep you thinking like a child as long as possible. Maturity is not prioritized whatsoever. For example, a 15-year-old male immigrant from India or China or Iraq, for example, is more of a man than a 25-year-old American. In America, the system is designed to take away your most valuable years from 18 all the way up to 30. Those years are the most critical ones when it comes to building wealth in this country. The longer the system keeps you thinking like you're still a teenager, the more use it will have out of you. Observation number 3 is that a lot of Americans are extremely passive. They have this mentality that everything is going to be all right. They have all the time in the world. Just chill, bro. Relax a little bit. They have this passiveness like they don't have to do anything. Everything will come in time and everything will be easy. As you guys know, I love investing in real estate, and that is how I was able to retire in my 20s. And I have had hundreds of people come up to me asking me, how do you build wealth? How were you able to buy so many houses? How were you able to retire in your 20s? How were you able to make so much money? And so on and so on. And me trying to be as helpful as I possibly can, I literally tell them what agent I use, what areas I buy, what zip codes I look for, what financing I get. Literally everything that they need to know in order to start investing in real estate. And the majority of the time, they get all of this information and they simply say, I'll start next month. Next month, I'll start investing in real estate. Or next year, I'll start investing in real estate. Or they be like, I'm only 20, I'm only 25, I'm only 30. I have a lot of time. I don't need to invest in right now. I'll invest next year or in 5 years. But in reality, they will never take that first step that is required for them to build wealth in this country, simply because they believe they have all the time in the world. They are extremely passive and it is destroying their future. Observation number 4, there are no goals, there are no timelines, there are no plans. People simply live day to day, week to week, month to month, and so on. On the other hand, a lot of immigrants that come to America, they have set goals. They have a clear vision of exactly what they want to achieve. For example, an immigrant comes to the United States with a goal of opening up a gas station or a restaurant or a small business, and best believe that is what they are focused on each and every single day until they achieve their goal. A lot of Americans only set goals on January 1st, their so-called New Year's resolutions. But a month later, 99.99% of all those people have completely forgot the goals that they set, and they simply have thrown them to the side. How can you get what you want if you do not know what that is? Observation number 5 is laziness. A lot of Americans are very lazy. They believe that putting in a 40-hour work week is something special. They believe that is going far beyond what is required. On the other hand, a 40-hour work week for an immigrant family is like a vacation. Speaking from personal experience, once I decided what I wanted to achieve, I put in a ton of hours, 60, 70, sometimes even 80 hours a week until I achieved my mission, until I achieved my goals. So do not expect to make it out of the rat race working 40 hours a week. Just putting in 40 hours a week will not get you anywhere. You'll probably have enough to pay your bills, but that is it. But keep in mind, there are 1,000 other factors that can affect if you will be successful or not. Also, working 70, 80 hours a week will not guarantee that you'll be successful. Sometimes you have to work smarter and not harder. So that pretty much concludes this quick video. Let me know in the comment section below what is keeping you from becoming wealthy in America. Let me know your thoughts, and as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.